welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with a makeup tutorial on this look right here. And this is using the new ColourPop times Kathleenlights So Jaded Mega Palette. I am so excited about this. I'm sure you guys have heard about it. This is what it looks like right here, a little sneak peek. It's so gorgeous. And I really wanted to do a nice fall look, so I did greens and yellows and oranges, so hopefully you guys really enjoy this look. So far, I'm loving the palette. If you guys want to see more videos using this palette, if you guys want to see swatches, anything else on this palette, let me know down below. But yes, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then let's go ahead and get started. Going into the shade Jaded, it's a nice muted green. I'm taking my Morphe 506 brush and I'm putting this in the crease all the way in the inner corner. And as you guys see, I'm pulling that color up. It really helps blend the color and lift it so it pops through. Now going and taking the shade Citron, it's a yellow shade. I'm taking that same pointed pencil brush and applying this right on top of that color just so it helps blend it and pops through. Now taking some concealer with a small flat brush, I'm carving my lid out. I'm lifting my head back just so I don't touch that green shade. You want to make sure you make a nice cut crease line and then blend it in with that outer corner shade. Now taking Topaz and applying that all over my entire lid, but keeping it off the outer edge just because I want to make sure the green blends it with that shade. I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes off camera and finish my base, and then we'll go ahead and finish up the eyes. Now to finish up the eyes, we're going to be smoking at the bottom lash line just with that green shade from inner to outer corner and then popping on some mascara. This look is so easy, but I love it. Now taking the shade My Precious and applying that in the inner corner as well as my brow bone just to brighten it up. To finish up the face, we're going to bronze using the Laura Mercier No. 1 bronzer. I'm obsessed with this. It's so good. I'm putting this all over the outer portion of my face just to bronze it up and make me look a little bit more warm. Now going in with blush, I'm taking MAC's Prism. It's a really nice warm tone blush. For highlight, I'm taking the Laura Mercier Matte Radiant Baked Powder. It is so good. This is my first time using it, and I'm literally obsessed. I highly recommend this. And lastly, for lips, I'm taking NYX Skin Tone, and that is it for this quick makeup tutorial using the new So Jaded palette. I hope you guys really enjoy this. If you guys want to see more videos using this, let me know down below. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.